Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: break statement in Python programming with while loop. So first of all, what is this looping control structure where we use break statement? So control means condition. Structure, it means indented block of code. So coming to the definition, executing an indented block of code based on a condition is called control structure. And coming to the looping control structure, they execute indented block of code 0 or more times or multiple times. So now coming to break statement. So when we use break statement in a while loop control structure, it will skip remaining statements of current iteration, and it also skips next iterations completely and comes out of the loop. So this is like termination of the loop indefinitely, then and there itself. So coming to while with a condition, indented block of code. So inside that, if we use break, so directly it will skip remaining iterations statements of the current iteration, and it will also skip all the remaining iterations and come to the next statement. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python break while loop example 1. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. So I want to print natural numbers below 20. So here I'm going to accept enter maximum number. So let us take the maximum number as 50. Convert that into integer and store that in num. So while loop starts with 1. I equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 50. Okay, so let us say num equal to 50. Okay, so check if I equal to 20, break. Otherwise, print I equal to I plus 1. So it will print all the values till 20. After that, it will break, though we are giving I less than or equals to 50. And finally print end of the program. So save this in your working directory. Come to the prompt where you have saved this and run it. So let us say maximum number is 50. But 1 to 20. We are breaking till 20 only. Okay, and finally end of the program. So below 20 only we are printing because we have a break when I equal to 20. Directly come out of the loop and print end of the program. Otherwise it will print 1 to 19, I equal to I plus 1. It will go for the next iteration 1 to 20. So this is how break statement is used in a looping control structure while loop to terminate any loop, any while loop indefinitely. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.